I drank chia seed water daily for 30 days. Here's what happened. Drinking chia seed water every day sounds simple, right? I figured chia seed water would just help with digestion, nothing major. But by day 21, I started feeling something I never expected. And it honestly threw me off. No one talks about this one weird shift. But I will. So, what really happens when you drink chia seed water every single day? And stick with it. Does it help with bloating, energy, weight loss? Or is it just another overhyped trend? I did the experiment myself, every morning for a month. And in this video, I'll break down what changed, what didn't, and what you should know before starting. Why most people don't see results. Most people try chia seed water for a few days, then give up. They expect instant results, maybe a flatter belly or more energy in a week. But when it doesn't happen, they stop. Here's the truth. Chia seeds work differently than most supplements or detox drinks. They take time to build momentum, but when they do, things get very real, especially around day 18 to 21. But the reason so many people never make it that far is because they either drink it the wrong way or don't understand what it's actually doing inside their body. Let's fix that. Before we dive into the 30-day timeline, hit that like button if you're into real, honest health experiments, not just gimmicks. So here's what really happens when you drink chia seed water every day. Week 1, the bloating trap and gut reset. Spoiler, it gets worse before it gets better. So I started with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds soaked overnight in a glass of water. Drank it first thing in the morning. Day 1 felt weird. Texture? Kinda slimy. Not bad, just new. By day 3, I felt more bloated than usual, which totally freaked me out. Turns out this is normal. Chia seeds pack around 10 grams of soluble fiber per ounce, and your gut needs time to adapt. It was like my digestion went into reboot mode. But by day 5, that tight, sluggish pressure in my stomach, gone. I started waking up feeling light. Like my body finally knew what to do each morning. No urgent dashes to the bathroom. Just calm, clockwork digestion. Pro tip, drink plenty of water, or those seeds will bloat you like a balloon. Week 2, surprising energy lift. Without caffeine, I didn't expect this subtle mental shift. This week was wild. Around day 10, I noticed something that caught me off guard. I didn't feel that afternoon crash anymore. I still drank my usual coffee in the morning, but the 3 p.m. slump? Gone. That's the omega-3s at work, supporting brain function and steady, natural energy. Combine that with slow digesting fiber, and it gives you a steady fuel drip throughout the day. One afternoon, I skipped my second coffee, not on purpose. I just didn't need it. That's when I knew something was really happening. Week 3, the hormonal surprise and better sleep. This benefit caught me completely off guard. This was the week I least expected results, but saw the most change. Around day 18, I woke up after 7 hours of sleep and felt like I'd just taken a long vacation. I thought, wait, why do I feel so good? No new mattress, no melatonin, just chia seed water. That's when I knew it wasn't a fluke. I dug into the science, and it turns out chia seeds are rich in tryptophan, the amino acid that helps the body make melatonin and serotonin, aka your sleep and mood hormones. That explained why I wasn't just sleeping better. I was actually waking up calm. If you struggle with anxiety, irritability, or sleep quality, this week alone might make it worth it. The simplest habits we stick with often create the biggest changes, silently. Week 4. The final phase. Metabolic shift and fat loss. This is where things finally got visible. Here's the part you probably came for. Did it actually help with fat loss? The answer? I saw it in my mirror and felt it in my jeans. I didn't overhaul my diet, but my belly, noticeably flatter. Pants fit better, less bloating. Chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that's been linked to reduced belly fat in some studies. Plus, The high fiber makes you feel full longer. I naturally started eating smaller portions, not because I was restricting, but because I wasn't craving snacks as much. The real magic wasn't in one aha moment. It was in the cumulative shift. Every day added up, and it started showing on the outside. Was it worth it? Here's the honest truth. Drinking chia seed water daily for 30 days didn't give me superpowers, but it did give me better digestion, steadier energy, deeper sleep, clearer skin, and yes, mild, natural fat loss. It wasn't dramatic. It was subtle but powerful. The biggest win? I felt more in control of my body. What you need to do before thinking of trying this. Here's what you need to know first. Start small. 1 tablespoon per day is enough. Soak overnight to avoid stomach issues. Hydrate more. Chia seeds pull water, so you need to drink more fluids. Stick with it. Give it at least 21 days to see real change. Watch your timing. I found drinking it first thing in the morning worked best. Some people also do well before meals for appetite control. If you have any gut issues or are on medication, talk to your doctor first. Product recommendation. If you're wondering which chia seeds to use, look for organic, non-GMO, black chia seeds. Brands like Nutiva, Healthworks, or Navitas Organics are clean and reliable. Store them in a cool, dark place, or better yet, the fridge after opening, to keep the oils from going rancid. The 30-day Chia Challenge. Would I keep doing it? Honestly, yes, but maybe not every single day. Even 4 to 5 times a week would be enough to keep the benefits going without overloading your system with fiber. The key lesson? Consistency beats intensity. Don't expect miracles on day 3. Let your body adjust, support it with hydration, and just stay the course. Your gut, skin, and brain will thank you for it. If this hit home for you, tap like and share it with someone who's done feeling sluggish, bloated, or battling a body that just won't cooperate. And if you've tried chia seed water before, what changed for you? Drop your story in the comments. I read everyone. Keep healing. One small habit, one better day at a time.